you guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and I'm so excited for this special Sunday morning edition because we are covering the brand new Target Studio McGee collection for spring, and there's some good stuff. It just dropped. I'm gonna run you through my favorites. Stay tuned. Some really, really good stuff. First up, this tree. I love it. It's such a good faux one. And what's really cool is that it is all wired, so you can bend it, shape it. It is a good one. Comes in a pot. Let me lift it up a little so you can see. Hope you can see that. I am impressed with this. Like, their faux plants lately have been so great. So I would highly recommend this one. It's a great size. I'm not sure the height on it, but I will check. 6 feet. 6 feet tall. I think that's a good price. Comes in the planter. Definitely grab one of those. Also a must-have is this lamp. Such a good floor lamp. I kind of feel like that table lamp that I showed you guys that looked like a kind of like a concrete base that was from that first little drop of this collection that is sold out everywhere. It's amazing. I actually think that this is like its floor lamp counterpart because I adore the white and the shade. It's just huge. So I feel like the scale is incredible and it's just like such a good one for any space, and the price point on this one is so good. I believe it's $90. I would definitely grab one of those as well, maybe two, because I think that it's one of the best floor lamp deals I've seen in a while because it has a high-end look with an approachable price. Definitely grab those. And then we're going on to the console. This is similar. If you guys remember my last entry, I used a burl wood console that I was in love with for that entry, and burl wood is really fun. It's different, and they created essentially a way more affordable one because that one was like $2,500. It's actually over on Studio McGee's website, so I will link that and show you. I think it's like, yeah, it's over $2,000. But this one is $180. Thank you to Target helping us out here because this is way more affordable. It has some reviews, so some of the stores must have gotten it, and it is all 5 stars. So 6 reviews so far as I'm looking right now, and they are all 5 stars, which means this is likely one you won't want to miss. There's also some pictures in reviews, so you can kind of get a sense for how it looks in person. It's really cute. And you could style it very similarly to how I did with my burl wood console. With it being open underneath, you can tuck a little ottoman under there, really just about anything, baskets, but it is like a really flexible design, so I think that that looks like a great console. Next one I wanted to talk about is the Arbon, the 32-inch Arbon coffee table. And what I love about this, I think this is a piece that will be easy to get overlooked because the stock image, like the main one, looks kind of plain just because it's like gray background, white table, and you almost can't like grasp its coolness. But then if you click on the second image over that shows it in a space, you can see that it actually looks like it has like a plaster type finish, which I am all about. So I'm loving the simplicity of this and then also that type of finish. So I think that this will be a good one too. It is not available anywhere yet, so there are no reviews or anything, but it's one that I am thinking I might take a gamble on. The Vivian Park upholstered swivel chair in cream. This one looks amazing. Love that it's a little bit wider. It looks like it's going to be a comfortable chair, and it's that slip cover design. This one is a little bit more spendy. It's at $380, but I think it looks like a good deal for what it is. I'm like zooming in on the fabric, and it looks like it's kind of, at least has a linen look, which is amazing. And so this is kind of like a good designer dupe, I feel like. And just that the really clean classic lines that I think work well in any space. So definitely, I think one to consider and go grab. The next one, we are going to look at the Rialto woven barrel back chair. This one is really interesting. It's such a unique design, and I'm wondering too if this one, it like looks like it should be a rocking chair. I don't know that it is. It's got a really fun like rattan base. I don't think it is a rocking chair. Just a cool design. It reminds me of some of the designer showrooms that I see when we are at furniture market, because there's some high-end rattan companies that do specialize in the rattan and natural material furniture, and this is obviously way less. Some of those get to be in the thousands of dollars for really beautiful chairs. So this one's at $280, which I think is a good deal, and it has the cushions. They're usually pretty good too about making, yes, the removable cushion covers. It looks like they do say removable, so that's always a major bonus with the Studio McGee Target stuff, because if you ever need to wash those, you can, or dry cleaning is probably even better, but they can be removed from the cushion. So really, really fun. I think that that would add some nice texture and warmth to your space if you're looking for something along those lines. The Springdale rounded Sherpa Bench is next. This one's really cool. Again, this like Sherpa type fabric is just super hot right now. I adore the curve of this as well. A really unique style. I'm thinking it could be cute at the end of a bed, in an entryway, just all around like good design, really clean, and you cannot beat the price. It's under $200, it's at $190. I think this looks like a winner as well. Next, the Portola Hills woven accent table. This is a round side table, which I'm loving. It's just got such cute detail with the cane sides on two sides and then the center being open. I think this is just a really fun accent, and I've liked the other pieces from this collection, so it's a good addition. That one's $150. And then their lighting, they've got some really fun lighting coming. The scallop semi-flush mount, just so darn cute. You can see just that detail of the shade. I believe it's a ceramic shade. Yeah, it's ceramic ceiling light, but with that brass base, or it also comes in a black. Either of them are super cute. I think that flush mounts can be they get kind of boring, and so this is a fun way to add some detail. And it looks like it has a good texture on the ceramic shade as well, kind of almost like, again, that plaster type look, which I'm loving. So that one's $100, and I think that will be a really cute light. Let me see how many light bulbs it has. It's probably, I'm guessing one. Yeah, I think it's just one. So it's not gonna be like the brightest, but for a place that you just need a little bit of light, this might be a perfect fit. For one that has a little more light and size, there is the Seagrass Lantern Ceiling Pendant with the brass. This one is 26.5 inches tall and 21.5 wide and deep. So it's pretty much a square, if that makes sense, but taller than, yeah, anyway. So pretty. This one I think will be a real winner. It's just got that natural feel, but with the brass accent, just really looks high-end. In fact, I feel like I've seen some designer ones with a really similar look. So this should be a great option, and it's $200, so I think that's really reasonable too. All right, this cabinet is one I have been waiting for. The 72-inch promontory cabinet with sliding doors looks so dang cute. This, again, really designer look because it's from Studio McGee, naturally. Anyway, I love the mix of the white and the kind of natural toned wood. You can see kind of in the styled one, it gives you a lot of space for styling, and these kind of cabinets are just really a great accent. So $600 for that one. So it's not like super cheap, but it looks like it will be, a fair price for that one. I love it. Also, I'm just gonna throw this out there. I do this. I do want to mention, like, if there's something that you're thinking about and you're not sure, like you want to wait and see how the quality is, totally get that. But also I've seen with some of the Studio McGee collections that pieces don't come back. So my thought is, if you can, swing it. Order stuff that you think you would want, and then check it out. If it looks like, it's not gonna work, then you could return it, because Target's pretty easy with returns, especially if you have a red card. A little segue to a red card ad. Ta-da. Just kidding, I'm not doing an ad. But I do love my red card. 5% off every time. And returns are easy. Okay, so I am doing an ad. It's not a paid ad. I was going somewhere. Oh yeah, just order it. If you think you might want it, order it, because you might not see it again. And then returns are easy. The Thousand Oaks Wood Scallop 3-drawer brown nightstand. It's really like a dresser / nightstand. You could use it, like they show it kind of styled as like almost like an entry piece or in a living room. But I think these would be cute as large scale nightstands. And if you've been waiting for that 3-drawer one from a previous, was that Studio McGee? No, I think that was Hearth and Hand. I think, yeah, a previous Hearth and Hand one that I used, that 3-drawer cane one. I don't know when that's ever coming back. So this could be a good alternative, because it's, again, the light wood, and it has that beautiful scallop detail on the drawers, which I love. So these are $350. I think the others were the same price as well. Just an option, if you're looking for something like that, I would consider those for sure. I think they look cute. Next up, in the same realm, we have the Springville 6-drawer dresser, which I'm so excited to see them doing dressers and nightstands and all that kind of stuff, because I think this is a niche where we need more. Dressers are really, really hard. It's really hard to get one that's good price and looks stylish and is good quality. So I know we haven't seen the quality on these yet, but I'm really hopeful that this Springville dresser with those woven drawers is going to be amazing, because it looks incredible in the pictures. Especially look at the one where they have it styled in a bedroom with the cutest ever lamp on it. I'm loving it. And it has, it looks so high end. The little brass handles, everything about it. I'm obsessed. It's $500. I feel like that's a good deal for a dresser. Probably will require some assembly like most Target things, so keep that in mind. But I mean, I think this is a good deal. Dressers are seriously, it's hard to find under $1,000. And they do also have a nightstand, a 3-drawer nightstand, which looks darling. That is the same design. It's only $200. So I feel like that one's going to be hot and probably sell quickly. A couple more things I want to show you guys in person are this cute tray. This one's like it's almost like it's a linen wrapped tray. So really high end looking, cute size. I think this is great for like a bathroom countertop to organize like your perfume, some makeup, stuff like that. Lotions, all those things in your little home. Cute on a vanity. Love the brass handle and then that fabric wrap detail. Very cute. They also have some really cute pillows. Loving this one. It's got awesome texture and I love that their covers are removable on the pillows too. So great and just really neutral. Kind of looks like a wool type texture. So just a really good pillow. I would recommend this one for sure. It looks very high end. I think that'll be going into the flip house. Can't wait. And then they have this fun embroidered pillow as well with that like little floral type detail. This is just a nice one to mix in with the texture that it has. And then there's a woven one that I also love. I don't have it because it wasn't available in store, but kind of like a plaid. I think it'd be a cute one with these, just if you're doing all the neutrals. The taupe and cream, or they also do have it in a mauve and cream, and I think even a blue as well. But I'm loving the taupe and cream because it's just so neutral, and then it has some nice pattern in it, and that one just became available as well. I'm sure that there'll be a few other pieces that I might have missed here. I'm trying to hit all my favorites so you can get them before they sell out, but I might add in the description below where all the links are. There might be a few more others, like check this out, don't miss this, because again, like sometimes things get added last second. They have even been changing dates, I've noticed, on some of these release items. So I'm trying to keep close tabs on it, but these should all be live on the website now so that you can get them. And once again, a very successful Studio McGee collection. Bravo to them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna be hanging out in comments like right now. So it's like this premiere thing where I can write back to you. So if you guys are shopping for something, you have questions, you can message me right now and I'll be on there to write back to you because it's like live and exciting. And so yes, I am hanging out with everybody today for the next little while this collection has just dropped. It's always a big moment. Good job to Target and Studio McGee on another awesome line. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Leave a comment, ask your questions. Check us out over on designlovesdetail.com and also on Instagram at designlovesdetail where you can see daily deals in stories.